Hey guys, I'm showing you this Yookee home lunch box for kids. These are the lunch boxes, insulated lunch box for kids. And as you can see, this comes in a nice pack and with the different designs. So I got this design to show you. And this have a really good carrying one with this insulated side inside. You can see that it will keep the things warm or cool based on the things. And then I have the big covering for the lunch here, and that's also have the insulation packing and the siding inside. No stitching issues, nothing, and very solid build. Also have this water bottle thing, and you can see the quality here. This is a nice thing, and with a one more zipper inside. So I'm just putting in a lunch box to show you the size, and then I still have the top size for that, and you can easily lock and carry, so you can get a good stuff in here. So one zipper outside, one zipper inside. Side is the bottle one, and this is the handle that you can adjust based on your need. So basically very nice insulated lunchbox for kids to take with a nice design and no issue with the quality and the stitching or anything.